It is October 17th, and I don't know about you, but I am noticing that the days are getting way shorter. Before winter is here, I urge you to try my pre-hibernation prep, and I'm going to go through every single step right now. This is super easy, super ADHD friendly. You can do it in a PDF, a Google Doc, Notion. My Notion template has the whole system already in there for you. What this is basically going to walk you through little steps you can do either one a day, or you can just jump in and do the whole thing at once. I do not think it would take that long. The goal is to have a system set up that will help you when winter is in full swing and your brain is not working so good, okay? I'm going to go over every single step with you quickly, and if you have any questions, there are specific videos for each day on a playlist on my profile. I'm also going to put the days up here on the screen so that you can screenshot this if you would prefer. Pre-hibernation prep starts with setting a winter intention. So pick 3 words to describe your winter. Day 2, do a winter brain dump of everything you need to do / attend during winter, tasks, events, anything that you might need to do. For day 3, you're going to take that brain dump that you did and pick 3 top priorities for yourself for this winter. On day 4, you're going to take the brain dump that you did and schedule some of the other tasks and events on your calendar, or put them in your task manager or in the task flow section if you're using my Notion template. Day 5, you're going to decorate your page or your dashboard or your paper. Make it something that looks really fun when you open it. Day 6, create 1 to 3 daily check-ins for energy, mood, take some deep breaths, basically a morning check-in, an afternoon check-in, and an evening check-in. You can do 1, 2, or 3. Just kind of check in with yourself. Take a deep breath, see how you're doing, see how your energy is for the day. This is to help with time blindness and from overcommitting to things. Day 7, create some lists of easy meals, snacks, or drinks to fall back on when your brain is not working so good this winter. Day 8 is our halfway checkpoint. How are you feeling? Do something nice to celebrate or go buy a treat for you to enjoy this winter. Day 9, make a list of any annual or quarterly bills that will happen during winter so you're not caught off guard. Bonus, add them to your calendar to remind you. This could be something small, but maybe it hits every year in December and you just want to be thinking about it. If you're like me, my insurance bill hits during the winter and it's huge and it always catches me by surprise, so this is to help combat that. Day 10, create a yes list and a no list of things, events, and or people that fill your cup or drain it. If you have to do a lot of no things, surround that day with more yes things to help you. Day 11, anchor your habits, aka make a plan to add 1 small self-care habit to something that you already do. So drink water before coffee, quick stretch when you brush your teeth. If you're using my Notion template, I left my lists in there that I made and you can steal them. Day 12, set a timer for 5, 10, or 15 minutes to digitally declutter or make a digital space more enjoyable to look at. Take your phone, add a winter theme, make it nice, clear out your home screen, turn off your notifications and your badges. Just take some time to make your phone or your digital ecosystem more enjoyable to interact with or more low stimulating for this winter season. Day 13, create an emergency plan. 3 meals, 3 chores, and 3 rewards, all that will make you feel better. So if you're having a crummy day, you've got a few meals and a few rewards to work on, or maybe you need to feel like you're getting something done and that will make you feel good. 3 light little chores. Again, if you're using my Notion template, I left all of those in there for you to copy off of mine. Day 14, you're done. Look over your new system. How does it feel? Do 1 nice thing for yourself today to celebrate. So that is it. That is our pre-hibernation prep ADHD friendly plan. Again, I did this in 14 days. You could definitely just do this in like an hour. And if you're using my Notion template, you can find it on my website. It has the whole page there in the seasons database and it's already done for you. And I left all of my answers in. So if you don't want to create stuff from scratch, you can literally just use the stuff that I put in there. It's going to be inside of the seasons database. And if you open this up here, the entire plan that I made, all ready for you to just fill it out as you need to and already created. So if you're interested in downloading that, again, you can find out on my website. But like I said, you can definitely just do this in a Google Doc, in a planner, on a sheet of paper. Does not have to be complicated. You could open up a brand new page in Notion and do this there. And it should be something that even if you only do 1 to 2 of the things on this sheet, I guarantee it will come in handy this winter. Again, the days are getting shorter. The cold is about to be among us, and I am so glad that I have this in my back pocket to help me out. And follow along if you're interested in series like this. I have another one dropping on Monday, and I'm so excited about it. Okay, see you later.